Hey guys, today we are making a delicious, beautiful holiday cocktail with a Snowcat Fun accoutrement sugared cranberry garnish. Very easy, I hope you enjoy it. Come and check this one out because I think you guys are gonna love it. Super delicious. Happy holidays.
First, to make the frosted cranberries. Very easy, you're gonna use equal parts of water and sugar. Bring this to just a slight boil, turn off the heat, throw in the cranberries. They only need to be in there for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then you're gonna go ahead and remove them with a slotted spoon. Now you're left with this gorgeous simple syrup. You're gonna let the cranberries hang out for about 40 minutes and they get very sticky and tacky. That's when you're gonna sugar them. Throw them into a bowl of sugar and toss them. You can keep these in the fridge for about 3 days in a sealed container. They're beautiful, skewered as garnishes for cocktails. You can use them for so many different things. Go ahead and slice some garnish off your orange and juice. There's nothing like a cocktail with fresh juice. Add about an ounce of vodka. And then we're gonna add Aperol. And then we're gonna add our cranberry-infused simple syrup. Just a splash is all you need. Add your citrus juice. Close your shaker and shake that thing up. So good. Now you can go ahead and serve this as a cocktail straight up, or you can serve it over ice. And for the prettiest part, your citrus garnish. Garnish with your sugared cranberries and you're set. You can also throw some cranberries on top of a beautiful cranberry loaf. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.
These are, trust me on this one. Delicious. Enjoy, come follow me. I don't know why I said that. No, it's not any special upcoming, no.